Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the buzz surrounding one of the most highly anticipated smartphones of the year, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. With every new release, Samsung continues to push the envelope of innovation, and the S25 Ultra is no exception. This upcoming smartphone promises to redefine your mobile experience with its stunning design, powerful camera system, and advanced features that cater to both casual users and tech aficionados alike. So, let's break down what makes the Galaxy S25 Ultra a game-changer. Revolutionary design. The design of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents a significant leap forward in both aesthetics and functionality. One of the standout features is its more rounded shape, which enhances comfort and grip. This is especially important as smartphones continue to grow in size. The ergonomic design makes it easier to handle the device, even with one hand. Users will appreciate this attention to detail, particularly during daily tasks like texting or browsing. Samsung has kept the familiar rear camera layout, which consists of 6 distinct cutouts for the primary camera system, flashlight, and laser distance meter. However, the company has refined these cutouts, ensuring they align seamlessly with the device's overall aesthetic. This meticulous attention to detail emphasizes functionality without compromising on style. Moreover, Samsung has significantly reduced the bezels surrounding the display. By minimizing these borders, the S25 Ultra offers a more immersive viewing experience, allowing users to fully enjoy videos, games, and apps without distractions. The larger screen real estate not only enhances the phone's visual appeal but also contributes to a more modern and premium feel. Additionally, the rounded corners promote better durability, as they are less susceptible to damage from accidental drops. Cutting-edge camera system. Photography enthusiasts will be thrilled with the Galaxy S25 Ultra's upgraded camera system. At its core is a groundbreaking 200MP wide-angle camera *** that delivers stunningly detailed images. This high resolution is perfect for capturing everything from expansive landscapes to intricate close-ups. With the ability to crop photos significantly without losing quality, photographers can ensure that fine details are preserved. The 10MP telephoto lens enhances the photography experience by allowing users to capture portrait shots with incredible clarity. This lens also produces a beautiful bokeh effect, resulting in a pleasing background blur that emphasizes the subject. The depth of field achieved through this lens elevates the overall aesthetic of portraits, making them visually striking. In addition to hardware improvements, the S25 Ultra incorporates advanced software features that enhance image processing. AI-driven enhancements significantly improve low-light performance, ensuring clearer images in challenging conditions. The camera software includes features like Smart HDR, which balances highlights and shadows for well-exposed photos in any lighting. Users can also enjoy 8K video recording, capturing high-resolution videos with remarkable detail and enhanced stabilization, ensuring smooth footage even during dynamic movements. Immersive display and anticipated launch. The S25 Ultra features a slightly larger 6.86-inch AMOLED display with thinner bezels for an edge-to-edge experience. This vibrant screen guarantees deeper blacks, vibrant colors, and superior contrast, making it ideal for gaming, streaming, and photo editing.